Hi, my name is Jaykumar and I am the Executive Vice President of Quality Operations at Ajanta Pharma headquartered in Mumbai, India. Ajanta Pharma is a specialty pharmaceutical company providing quality medicines across 30 countries worldwide. We operate from 7 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India led by over 800 scientists. Our business includes branded generics in India and emerging markets in Asia and Africa, generics in the USA, and institutional sales in Africa. At Ajanta, we recognize the importance of fulfilling our customers' requirements and emphasize offering innovative solutions by leveraging cutting-edge technology. Quality is extremely important to us, and we aim to deliver quality products fastest to our customers. Recognizing that manual workflows are time-consuming, error-prone, and have compliance issues, we saw the need to digitalize our laboratory operations. Given our prior successful experience in implementing Caliber's quality software solution, which has streamlined our quality assurance system, and opting for implementing CaliberLIMS was an easy decision for us. After seeing compliance and harmonized workflow benefits, we implemented CaliberLIMS at the Python unit first and extended it to all 5 other units. After digitizing workflows, we are witnessing substantial improvements in our processes. The impact has been significant. We can see 30 to 40% improved processes, efficiency, 25 to 30% increased productivity, and more importantly, increased data integrity and more than 11 successful worry-free audits. With the built-in electronic laboratory notebook, we adhere to Alcoa Plus guidelines and have seamlessly replaced paper lab notebooks for QC operations. Capturing data electronically has simplified our complex calculations, limiting access to calibrated instruments within validity periods and ensuring compliance with CGMP. By integrating CaliberLIMS, we could seamlessly incorporate the lab instruments and inventory modules. Essential controls are now in place at every data collection stage, enhancing transparency and significantly reducing review time. The support that Caliber provides was wonderful. They provided all required training to ensure we achieved our goal of going digital, maintaining quality and fast-tracking our release to market. We are 100% paperless now, and the work that used to take us days can now be completed in minutes. Our journey with Caliber has been transformative. We have automated our lab processes and went paperless in our manufacturing operations by implementing the Elog solution. Elog system is implemented across our 3 sites, Python, Dahej, and Guwahati. Over 1500 users actively use the Elog application to track daily activities, enhancing operational efficiency. Choosing CaliberElog was driven by our specific requirements for shop floor digitalization and related controls. During the initial stage, we provided user requirement specifications, and to our satisfaction, CaliberElog already addressed more than 95% of the project URs. The team adeptly implemented 90% of the changes, ensuring a fit-for-purpose solution aligned with our objectives. Since the implementation, daily tracking of tasks has improved, reducing data integrities and enhancing overall task efficiency. We have observed a 50% reduction in deviations, 28% lesser review time, and a 36% time saving for operators. The Elog project has positively changed our daily operations, making us audit-ready, efficient, and compliant. Caliber has consistently proven to be a reliable partner in our digital transformation journey, and we are currently implementing CaliberAPQR. With its anytime PQR feature, we can conduct internal reviews and preemptively even before regulatory requirements arrive. With a few simple clicks, we can access real-time data, promptly generate detailed reports, and make well-informed decisions swiftly. At Ajanta Pharma, we are eagerly looking forward to the future. With the digitalization of our processes, We aim to efficiently deliver quality drugs to our customers at an accelerated pace. We thank Caliber Technologies for being integral to our success with this transformative digital journey.